Single board microprocessors. Next school year, I'm teaching a coding class. When I take over, I could incorporate the Raspberry Pi to better teach the concept of inputs with sensors and provide more diverse activities. The students will be in an engineering company designing a robot. They'll work in small groups to simulate a human sense. At the end of the project, we'll see how it is similar to self-driving cars and prosthetic body parts, and incorporate sensors to simulate human sensations. I did three different senses and sensors, just to kind of show a variety of what the kids might do. This one, we got a sense of touch, and we got a little target. Keep the girl on the balance beam, and it tips. Oh, I missed. Okay. So the coding is definitely more complicated with this. Oh, I didn't make it. I hear it in there. Okay, so yeah. Let's see. Try one more time, and then I'll let someone else give it a try. I thought about putting different modes on it. There we go. And there. Oh, I made it. Just barely. All right. And then the last one I have was the mosquito. He says, I love my heat vision. Now this one I had to get a little bit clever with. I know that its heat vision is the same as infrared light, right? And when I saw that there was something that, it was called a flame sensor, I'm like, great, let's put a candle up and see if it works. It absolutely did. You can't do that with middle schoolers. You can't do that with high schoolers. I didn't even want to do it for myself, honestly. So I tried getting out my Wii sensor bar, because that shoots out IR, and any remote control does. But then I found a sensor that emits IR as well. And so the human skin gives off heat. That's the same as infrared, right? And so I made a little code that will have a mosquito when he flies up and he senses the heat. He will go towards the lion. All right, so he said, lion says, so I hear mosquito, and as the little sensor on the end of this approaches the heat, lion says, ouch. Right, and it goes away, and do I hear mosquito again? And so the coding on this, right? 3 games. Any and all?
I'll do the ballerina one.
You'll do the ballerina, yeah. That's gonna be fun. Let's balance one, sense of balance. All right, yep, so you want to keep this edge flat to the horizontal, and you just balance her back and forth.
Is that how she moves?
Yep, you just tip back and forth, keep her from falling. There you go. Yep, you'll have to move it quite a bit.
Oh, okay,
right?
okay.
Can you hear the clicking in there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that's about how much you'll need to move it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Like it took me a few tries, so yeah. And I can make it a little bit easier. We can change the code to make it easier if we'd like.